Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Galax GeForce RTX 3060 Vegetable Fairy Cabbage Dog Special Edition. So friend, Galax launches GeForce RTX 3060 Vegetables Fairy Cabbage Dog Special Edition. PonkichiM, who envisions animals as fruits and vegetables. Each animal is based on different food. Each has its own character and skills. Galax engineer Hardware, worn by Chinese Cabbage Dog, whose main skill is being cute. And friend, this card is based on RTX 3060 graphics card based on the updated Lite Hash Rate model with GA106-302 GPU. And friend, the card design feature a unique custom PCB and shroud design. And friend, this model is essentially a sub-variant of RTX 3060 Boomstar OC graphics card, which is heavily modified model which boosts clock of up to 1837 MHz and dual 8-pin power connectors. And furthermore, this card is among the few listed in optimal GA104-150 GPU. And friend, the full box includes a large mouse pad, acrylic phone holder, and 5 cm large dice of Cabbage Dog's favorite activities such as eating a fish. And friend, this card will retail at $461 and currently available for pre-order. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.